Sure. I'm Pete Hagerty. I'm the Senior Vice President of Strategic Partnerships at Collider Media. Collider is a solution for publishers to make their mobile inventory addressable for demand partners. What we do is we take publisher data, match it with third-party data, and make it addressable in a secure way. So then we offer that addressable audience to advertisers and demand partners. So I'll give you an example. We might get Pete Hagerty at yahoo.com from a publisher partner. We then take that and add third-party data to that, right? So then they know that it's Pete Hagerty at yahoo.com, lives in Austin, Texas, drives a Honda Pilot, has 2 kids, and plays golf, right? We anonymize that so they no longer know it's Pete Hagerty, and we offer that to anyone who wants to bid on that, right? So Toyota, seeing that I have a Honda Pilot in my driveway, might say, I'll pay $6 for that user, and I want to deliver a video to that person, to Pete Hagerty, about the new car. So really that's what we're doing. We're taking inventory that has no value, we're laying, or limited value, we're laying data on top of it, and then we're making it available to anyone who wants to bid on it. The announcement was that we were acquired. So Videology, which is run by Scott Ferber, Scott started ad.com and sold it to AOL in 2003. He started Videology 4 years ago as a demand-side platform for agencies and clients. In the process of creating a unique demand-side offering for video, he developed a lot of publisher relationships and was able to access premium inventory from those publishers. When the business started to grow, he realized that he couldn't serve both honestly serve the needs of the demand side and the supply side at the same time. So what he did is create 2 different companies. So now Videology is now the demand side platform for agencies and clients to access quality video, mobile, and display inventory. And Collider Media is the supply side that represents publishers and helps them optimize and monetize their inventory effectively. There's a complete, a lot of companies have both sides. There's an iron curtain between ours. We have our own ops team, our own accounting team, our own sales team. We're completely separate businesses. The only person that works at both companies is Scott Ferber as the CEO. We see it growing. We see there's obviously a big demand for addressable media, whether it's addressable digital media, whether it's display or video or mobile, and we've done incredibly well on the demand side, but we see a huge opportunity to help publishers monetize their inventory more effectively on the Collider side. So my background is I came from 14 years of selling content. I was at Disney, I was at ESPN, I was at Yahoo, I was at Demand Media, right? So all of those places are trying to figure out how to make their inventory more valuable, right? They sell the premium content directly to advertisers and they dump the rest into the exchanges. Well, the frustration has been that when you put it into an exchange, it's devalued immediately. It goes for 50 cents or 25 cents or 10 cents, right? And you don't know what, because there's limited data attached to it, right? So with our entire focus with Collider is making our publishers' data more, or publisher inventory more valuable with data. Right, so we're getting it directly from the publisher, layering on data and saying, and then offering it to an advertiser to say, this person is an avid cook, this person is an avid runner, this person is about to buy a Honda Pilot, right? Do you want to talk to them, right? So when that inventory has data and you know who that person is, or even in an anonymous way, right? They don't know, again, they don't know it's Pete Hagerty, but they know everything about me in an anonymous format.